This Champion generator, it's new and has a very bad chemical smell. It's from this insulating foam, insulating pad for the sound, and these are all inside on the plastic case. So this is the cover. All around inside there are these pads, and these are vapors, chemical vapors, very strong smell that does not go away. And why are the workers at the factory working in these conditions? Because the worker needs to stay very close up to assemble all the small components. Even if there is some ventilation at the factory, it's impossible to get away from the smell, and it's going to be smelling this for all the time they are at the factory. For months, for years, they may be even pregnant woman. So why are the workers enduring this condition, this working condition? And why am I buying a product and making someone suffer at the other end? Because the company doesn't create proper working condition. No matter what the public relations say, they are checking the conditions. That's not true. So this material, it's horrible. Even when I'm standing here, it's such a stench of chemical smell. I cannot really stay for long nearby. So I imagine the worker for many hours a day, many months a year, many workers, female, whatever they are, this is not normal. So Champion must absolutely change this and not tolerate such problem. So all this foam, if I approach my nose on it, it's horrible smell that does not go away at all. So this is not acceptable.